what's good everybody? In today's video I'm going to show you why it's important to add a weed barrier to your project. Whether you're building a giant fire pit like we are here, or you're creating a pathway like this. I'm going to show you what we use, why you want to use something like this versus maybe something from a dollar store. This is a very thick burlap material that is going to ensure that you do not have little weeds coming through when you spend all the effort and the money creating your project. Stay tuned for the whole video. All right, so we got the Vevor Weed Barrier Landscape Fabric. This roll is 4 feet by 250 feet. It's a geotextile underlayment. The weight of this fabric is 5 ounces. It feels like a burlap sack. It is nice and thick. It's going to allow water to get through, but not the weeds from underground, including any plants. It does come in different sizes, all the way from 3 feet by 50, all the way down to 6.5 feet by 330 feet. You just gotta pick your length, pick how thick you want it, and order it. It's very difficult to tear, it's high density, it's very lightweight, and it's pro-environment, and it's very easy to cut with scissors or just an X-Acto knife. All right, so this is our weed fabric, as you can see, and this is our HPB. We've dug a little bit, so we're gonna spread that, then we're gonna put those pavers on top of that, and then we're going to start gluing the rest of the retaining wall going all the way up. Now once this is all in here, we are going to go and tamp it down as well, but we are going about 4.5 to 5 inches across, and we're going to do a slope, gradual slope this way, and the gradual slope coming downwards. And then our draining is already in there, so we're pretty much covered and good to go. All right, next, grab our tamping tool. Like I said, we have about this much HPB, so we're going to tamp this down, and then we're going to go and put soil in here up to about 2 inches, and then on top of that we're going to put our blocks going all the way straight down. When we place these, we want to essentially be even with the top. We're pretty much right here with the HPB, so that way we can keep stacking them on top. But if there's any movement like thawing and freezing, thawing and freezing, it's not going to move because this HPB does not move with the changing of the seasons. All right, so we've tamped this whole thing down. This is straight, this is not on the slope, so we're going to start placing our blocks right now, and this will be our first one. All right, so this is basically what we've done. You can see that we've used the weed barrier all under here. Again, this is going to be a big fire pit. We did overlap this quite a lot on the side, and this will make sure that absolutely nothing screws up our big giant fire pit. I definitely recommend this specific one, although, you know, brands don't really matter as long as the thickness is there. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.